Today I'm showing you how to permanently delete your Instagram account on your Android device. Let's get started. Open Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Access menu. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Open Account Center. Tap Account Center from the menu. Wait for the page to load completely. Go to Personal Details. Tap Personal Details from the Account Center options. Select Account Ownership and Control. Tap Account Ownership and Control to access deletion options. Choose Deactivation or Deletion. Tap Deactivation or Deletion to see your options. Select Instagram account. If you have multiple accounts, select the Instagram account you want to delete. Choose Delete Account, not Deactivate, that's temporary. Continue. Tap Continue to proceed with permanent deletion. Select Reason. Choose a reason for deleting your account from the drop-down menu. Enter your Instagram password. Enter your Instagram password to verify it's you requesting the deletion. Final confirmation. Read the warning that deletion is permanent. You'll lose all photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers. Delete account. Tap Delete your username to permanently delete your account. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the permanent deletion of your Instagram account on your Android device.